Now, in the last part, there was a minor glitch with the data that we have entered, first correcting that particular part. See, eating it was, I have given 1 hour 30 minutes. So it was exceeding 24 hours of a day. So I converted that particular one into 0. Now I think my data is proper. So now moving ahead, analyze your time. As you are able to see over here, total hours spent, they have already calculated, and even we have calculated. That means out of 24 hours, how much hours we have already spent, and then how much hours and how many minutes are remaining. So you are able to see total hours left, total minutes left. So what I will be doing, I will be just copy pasting this particular part over here and changing total hours spent to total hours remaining, and then total minutes remaining. Done. So this total minutes remaining. So if you are able to see, our sheets somewhat look like this. Total minutes left or remaining, it is one and the same thing. So I will be changing remaining to left. And the same thing I'm doing it over here, total hours left. Now next, total hours left. We have already spent 23.1667, which is approximately equal to 23 hours. So in a day, total how many hours are there? 24. So what I will be doing, first I will be putting a formula called as equal to, in a day how many hours are there? 24. So 24, then I'll be putting minus sign, and I'll be selecting this particular part. So if you are able to see over here, 0.83333, that is nothing but hours left. And for the minutes left, what I will be doing it over here, for the minutes left, I will be again typing equal to, this is nothing but the minutes, 8333, it is nothing but the minutes. So I'm selecting this and I'm multiplying this by 60. Why by 60? Because in an hour there are how many minutes? There are 60 minutes. So there is 0 hours, but the minutes that is approximately remaining with me, it is 50 minutes remaining. And you are able to see over here, it is the same thing on my side. One more time, reiterating both the formulas. Total hours left. So in a day, total how many hours are there? 24 minus the hours that we have already spent. So what I'm doing, just taking my mouse cursor over there and selecting that particular cell. You will be able to see this particular part, that is total hours left. Then again put an equal to sign. F2, it is nothing but the hours left, and that will be multiplied by 60, because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So approximately we are getting this particular data. Done. So in this particular manner, we will be able to manage a time by giving each and every activity hours and minutes, and then calculating how many hours we have spent, and then what are the hours that are left with the day, and what are the hours or what are the minutes that are